Take a look at the two of my Kizers. These are both purple. This one is their chili pepper, and I think it gets that name because it kind of looks like a chili pepper when it's closed. Great looking. They make it in a couple of colors. This one is the purple, my favorite. Tip up carry with a nice clip. It can go to either side. It's a button lock, and this is, I believe it's a G10 handle. It almost feels like aluminum, but it's so lightweight and it's a little bit grippy. It's got some great contours to it. The lineup is amazing. Everything's dead center. Look at that jimping on the top there. Nice touch. Great looking knife when it's closed. Great looking knife when it's open. Good size. So that's called the chili pepper. And then we've got the, this one's called the nice guy. That was a good guy. The nice guy. And great shape. I really like this classic shape. I love this almost Bakelite looking purple. It's a flipper, opens right up, very lightweight, great practical. Nice guy AZO. Very lightweight, great size, tip up carry with a clip. That clip can go to either side, and this is probably a G10, but it feels almost like Bakelite. It looks like Bakelite. Really like this one. So that's two of my favorites from the collection from Kizer. Hope this helps.